There's like, is there like so much tape or my ear's just that swollen?
No, he has a lot of tape on there, but your ears are swollen.
I can't tell. How's it looking?
It looks good.
Pretty crusty.
All that too.
You know how many people, no, that didn't hurt. Do you know how many people have inquired about this? Because we all have horrible holes.
Earlobes.
Yeah.
I never wear dangles.
Well, you were smart.
Because...
That looks really clean.
Yeah, not bad.
Wow.
Impressive.
I didn't even ruin it while I had those in.
No, you did good.
Especially since the no exercise thing.
I know that had to be hard for you.
Yeah, I didn't follow that rule. Okay.
It's your ears.
Hey, listen, do as he says,
Look.
not as I do.
That's right. I mean, it is what it is.
I like
I didn't hear it.
I know.
I don't care.
It's documented. It's just like P. Diddy's videos.
Oh, God. That's so gross.
I'm just going down the P. Diddy rabbit hole. I love it.
Oh, he's so nasty. I mean, I was never into his music.
No, I wasn't either. I had to look up what he's saying. I mean, of course.
I don't even know what he's saying, quite frankly. But
well, he did the remake of the Police song, Every Breath.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and he owes them $10,000 every single day.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't even know.
He's got so much money.
Yeah, but now it's gonna be useless in jail.
Well, yeah. I
Hmm.
mean, the sad thing is, his children.
Oh, I know. So are they ready to come out?
Yeah, his younger children. Because I kind of feel like his older ones kind of knew what was going on.
Mm-hmm.
That's my thought process.
I just really don't like when stitches are taken out.
I know. It's a weird feeling.
Mm-hmm. Are they out?
One is.
Oh, that's it? How many stitches? That's it?
You have 3 on the front and probably 3 or 4 in the back. So, you know, you can't wear earrings.
Yeah. That I did know.
But, you know, I do tell people to go on Amazon. You probably already know this.
And probably get stickers, right? Like cute sticker earrings?
The little...
I was thinking like a little hearts or whatever. That you put on 3-year-olds?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
The little adhesive things.
Okay.
We have a
so that's
patient.
okay to put the adhesives on?
Yeah. Well, I would wait a couple weeks just because it's still healing. Because I am going to put some tape back on you.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit, just to make sure that
no, it's good. Stay together.
Heals. Yeah, since you're not a rule follower.
I mean...
It is really hard for people that work out like you and then have surgery.
Well, it depends what the surgery is, but I feel like the earlobe is not exactly going to affect my...
Well, it's the blood flow.
I know. The first couple days, I didn't get my heart rate up.
Well, I mean, there you go.
To 170.
God, you're killing me right now. Jesus Christ.
They love me here. But I did keep it dry.
Okay.
I'm not a sweater, so that's the other thing.
Well, that's good.
Mm-hmm.